Hello and welcome to How to Play Minnesota Whist. The game is played with 4 players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. The 4 players are divided into 2 teams. Teammates sit across from each other. Each player is dealt 13 cards, 1 card at a time. Minnesota Whist is a trick-taking card game. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking card in the suit that was led wins the trick. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the 2s being the lowest. Before the gameplay begins, the players will determine if the hand is going to be played high or low. Playing high means each team is trying to win 7 or more tricks. Playing low means each team is trying to win 6 or fewer tricks. After the players look at their cards, they will select a black or red card and place it face down in front of them. Placing a black card means the player wants to play the hand high. Placing a red card means the player wants to play the hand low. Once all players have placed a card in front of them, the player left of the dealer will flip up their card. If the flipped up card is red, the flipping up of cards continues clockwise left with players taking turns. If the card flipped up is black, no more cards get flipped up. As soon as a flipped up card is black, the cards in the middle are returned to their players' hands and the game is played high. All players must flip up a red card in order for the hand to be played low. I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player right of the first player to flip up a black card leads the first card to the first trick. Kate flipped up the first black card, so James will play first. James leads the 8 of clubs. Play moves clockwise left to the next player. A player must play a card in the same suit of the lead card whenever possible. Kate follows suit by playing the ace of clubs. Play moves left to Hugo, who follows suit by playing the jack of clubs. Play moves left to Jack, who follows suit by playing the 2 of clubs. Kate wins this trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. The player that wins the trick leads the next trick. Kate leads the king of clubs. Play moves right to Hugo, who does not have a club, to follow suit. Hugo can play any card and plays the 4 of diamonds. Jack follows the lead suit with the 4 of clubs. James is not able to follow the lead suit and plays the 4 of spades. Kate wins this trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. Play continues until all cards have been played. At the end of a round, the teams will count up the total tricks taken during the round. Here, Jack and Kate took a total of 8 tricks. James and Hugo took a total of 5 tricks. The team that took 7 or more tricks will score 1 point for each trick taken over 6 tricks. Here, Jack and Kate score 2 points. If the hand is played low, the team that takes 7 or more tricks will lose 1 point for each trick taken over 6 tricks. For example, if this was a low hand, James and Hugo would lose 1 point for the 7 tricks taken. The first team to an agreed upon amount, such as 13, is the winner. A player must follow the lead suit by playing a card in the same suit as the first card played whenever possible. If a player cannot follow the lead suit, they can play any card. The trick is won by the highest ranking card in the suit that was led. That wraps up How to Play Minnesota Whist. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.